How to change the default browser on your iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to change the default browser on your iPhone. If you prefer using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser instead of Safari, follow these simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on Apps. Here, scroll down, and find the browser you want to set as your default. For example, if you have Chrome, Firefox, and Safari installed, tap on Chrome or your preferred browser. Next, tap on Default Browser App. You'll see a list of all installed browsers. Select the one you want to set as default. The browser with the check mark next to it is now your default browser. Once done, press the back button and return to the home screen. And that's it. Your iPhone will now open links using your selected browser. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.